Here's some neoliberalism trivia. Subscribe. What term describes a political and economic model prioritizing free market capitalism? Is it A, communism, B, neoliberalism, C, socialism, or D, Keynesianism? The correct answer is B, neoliberalism. Which country's government implemented neoliberal reforms during the 1980s under Pinochet? Is it A, Chile, B, Brazil, C, Argentina, or D, Peru? The correct answer is A, Chile. In which decade did neoliberalism gain prominence in the United States? Is it A, 2000s, B, 1980s, C, 1970s, or D, 1960s? The correct answer is B, 1980s. Which prime minister implemented neoliberal policies in the UK? Is it A, Gordon Brown, B, Margaret Thatcher, C, Tony Blair, or D, David Cameron? The correct answer is B, Margaret Thatcher. Which city is often cited as a center for neoliberal thought and policy? Is it A, New York, B, San Francisco, C, Los Angeles, or D, Chicago? The correct answer is D, Chicago. What is a primary critique of neoliberal economic policies? Is it A, increased regulation, B, income inequality, C, job creation, or D, economic growth? The correct answer is B, income inequality. What do proponents argue is a benefit of neoliberalism? Is it A, social equality, B, environmental protection, C, increased regulation, or D, economic growth? The correct answer is D, economic growth. Which populist leader criticized neoliberal reforms in Venezuela? Is it A, Lula da Silva, B, Fidel Castro, C, Daniel Ortega, or D, Hugo Chavez? The correct answer is Hugo Chavez. What is the name of the neoliberal economic theory emphasizing reduced taxes? Is it A, supply-side economics, B, laissez-faire policy, C, economic populism, or D, Keynesian economics? The correct answer is A, supply-side economics. Who authored Capital in the 21st Century, Critiquing Capitalism? Is it A, Karl Marx, B, Thomas Piketty, C, Milton Friedman, or D, John Maynard Keynes? The correct answer is B, Thomas Piketty. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.